Hey, what's going on, you guys? This is Madam, and I'm coming back to you again. And this is a small update from the Amber Guyger, uh, who murdered Jean Bowman, Boatman Jean, excuse me. I apologize if I mispronounced his name. Uh, just to give you a little refresher, she was the cop that ultimately killed him as he slept. She mistaked his apartment for her apartment allegedly, and she felt he was an intruder, and she shot him and killed him. um, she has been convicted, but she wants the appeals court to throw it out. Let's find out why. Okay, according to this article, it says accountability is something that neither police officers nor white women do well. It comes as absolutely no surprise that Amber Guyger is trying to get out of being a convicted murderer after she gunned down Botham Jean inside of his own apartment, according to CNN. Guyger's lawyer, Mike M, has accused, has argued that three appeals judges that it would be more legally appropriate to convict his client on criminally negligent homicide charges as opposed to murder. In a statement, Mr. M said, "You're overlooking the fact that Ms. Geiger testified that she intentionally shot Mr. Jean." Chief Justice Robert D. Burns III told the attorney. Burns at one point suggested that Geiger's conviction was in fact supposed to be legally preceded, raised by the defendant. Okay. The article continues to say that Mr. M tell it Geiger believed that she was inside of her own apartment and thus had the right to use deadly force upon discovering an intruder. That is laughable. Suffers to say Boatman Jean's mother, Allison Jean, is not here for it in any way, shape, or form. And the statement, Amber Guyger needs to sit where she is in prison and accept responsibility for what she did to my son, my family, my country, and the world. Her world. Allison Jean said in a phone interview Tuesday from her home in St. Lucia. Jean added that Geiger's 10-year sentence is still not enough for the unjust killing of her son. The mother mentioned that if the roles were reversed, she believes he would have been facing a much longer prison sentence or prison term. Excuse me, which is true. She didn't lie. Continuing with the statement, it says he was destined to leave this world, for his life to be taken away from us in such a careless manner. She needs to be given more time for what she did, Allison Jean explained. Our life has been turned upside down as a result of Amber Geiger's actions, and she needs to leave us alone right now, Allison Jean said. She's done enough harm. Continuing on with the article, it says, fact, the idea that Geiger shouldn't be held to the standard of murder just because she thought that she was in her own apartment does not hold an ounce of water with the judge, but they will render their decision at a later date. But the fact is that making it the mistake of entering Bowman's apartment does not exonerate Geiger from the fact that she knowingly killed someone, which is true. She knowingly took this man's life. Regardless, I'm still trying to work out the fact that how, I mean, looking at the crime scene and the apartment building, the apartments are similar, but that's why they have numbers to distinguish one from another. That's why they have certain things distinguish one from another. Sometimes, for instance, you may have people that have the same look in front of the house, but one person will add their own personal touch to it, um, or something like that, or they'll have a system or something that they can remember, where they live at. Okay. So I'm just like, she got what she deserved. It was well underdone in the time that she received for Mr. Jean's death. And the mother is right. She has a right to be angry. She needs to sit there and eat those 10 years, and just be lucky that she got 10 years. You know, at the end of the day, she can still breathe, walk, talk to her parents, talk to her loved ones, have some type of interaction, even though she's in jail. And Mr. Jean cannot, sadly. Um, her just apologizing to the brother and the family does not suffice of the taking of a life, you know? Um, so let me know what you guys think. Please drop down in the comments. Please let me know how you feel about this. Please let me know what your opinion is. Should she have gotten more time, or is 10 years enough? I don't think so, because you have to factor in good behavior. They should have gave her at least 20. So that's just my personal opinion. But with that being said, you guys, I will definitely talk to y'all in a later video. Until then, take care.